Okay. The study of the cell structure under the electron microscope reveals that the bacterial cell are in a simultaneously different from that other unicellular and multicellular organism. Hence, the cells can be classified into two groups developing on the complexity of organization in them. So, these groups are so we know that microscopic. We know that microscope and electron microscope. What is the name? Microscope, which we can see the microorganism, which we cannot see with our naked eye. That time we are using the microscope. Then bacteria like that. Or in a blood cells, what type of a virus is there, what type of a bacteria is there. So we are using the microscope. What are the electron microscopes means which is a very minute 10 times 10 times smaller than bacteria are also we can see with the help of electron microscope. So in here there is an divided into two groups that are the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Now the prokaryotic cells, pro means early, so primitive karyon nucleus. So it refers to cell which are genetic material is not enclosed in the membrane and lies freely in a cytoplasm. There is no structure called as a nucleus. The genetic material is in the form of a single cellular chromosome. So here the prokaryotic is pro means early and what is the primitive? Karyon means nucleus. So it refers the cell in which the genetic materials. So what are the genetic materials are present is not enclosed or not closed or enclosed in the membrane. So it lies freely in the cytoplasm. There is no structure called as a nucleus. In a unicellular, only unicellular means on the day many times I have said that amoeba is a unicellular, only no nucleus is the present. By coming to the multicellular and the human being, paramecium, plants and animals are the multicellular. Number of cells are present. So here the prokaryotic here there is a name. There is no structure called as a nucleus and the genetic material is in the form of a single cellular chromosome. The chromosome is present in the area of a cytoplasm called as a nuclei. So here in between there is a nucleus is there, that is known as a nuclei. The cell lines are all membranes bounded the cell organelles. Absence of intracellular organism indicate the primitive nature of prokaryotic cell. The group of prokaryotic comprises the bacteria is known as the cyanobacteria. So cyanobacteria were early called as the blue green algae also. So cyanobacteria is cyanobacteria is also known as a blue green algae. Blue green algae. So algae means algae means what? Blue green algae means sparkle. So blue cyanobacteria. So these are all known as the cyanobacteria. So where we will find this? So the group of prokaryotic comprises the bacteria and the cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria were early called as the green algae. So they appeared about 3,500 million years ago. When can we find now cyanobacteria? No, 3,500 years ago we can find that the cyanobacteria. Why? Because this much population not there, this much generation not there. So only the big rivers are there, oceans are there, ponds are there, lakes are there. There only we can find the cyanobacteria. Now there is no oceans are there, rivers are there, but this much not, it was not bounded. So what happened? The population was increasing. So this type is in our houses also where the water always falling. Where the always will be found means wherever maybe the water always forms, there only the always will be found. So suppose in our house also take one drum, cement water drum is there. You keep the water some days. Don't use it. So what happens besides of sides of this water tank, so that will contains the algae will be appear. So it is the jelly like. Okay, so it was a jelly like it is, and these terms prokaryotic use the organism without any true nucleus. Now, eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic means complete the cell of other unicellular organisms like protozoa and all multicellular organisms like plants, animals, and fungi have the membrane bounded nucleus. So, just now I said in a prokaryotic as an unicellular, there is no nucleus is there. Only the bacteria, cyanobacteria are present. By coming to the eukaryotic cells, that is a multicellular like plants and animals, and they have the membrane complete. It was in a complete. It has a membrane bounded nucleus. So there is a complete. It was a bounded nucleus was a present. Maybe the in big plants, in animals and human beings, this nucleus was a present. And the genetic materials is in the form of many chromosomes present in the nucleus. In the nucleus, number of chromosomes are present. Number of chromosomes are present and present in the nucleus. So the cytoplasm contains a number of membrane bounded organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, etc. Each organelle perform a specific function. So like in our body there are the main parts are there. So like that in the nucleus also there is a mitochondria, and mitochondria is and there is a chloroplast. So there is a chloroplast. After this class, I can draw the chloroplast and a mitochondria. So eukaryotic cells perform the specific functions. Eukaryotic cell is considered to be a more advanced than prokaryotic cell. So prokaryotic cells after the eukaryotic cells are very advanced, and eukaryotic appears about 200,000 million years ago and probably evolved from the prokaryotic. These are all eukaryotic cells from where? Because from 2000 years you can see the eukaryotic cells. So from how they are formed is from the prokaryotic cells only. These eukaryotic cells are formed. And the eukaryotic nuclei, the protozoa, fungi, green plants and animals. The term eukaryotic is given in the organism with a true nucleus. So there is a similar summary difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. There is a differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Now there is a difference. So nuclear membrane is a true nuclear features. It is a nuclear membrane of true nucleus. True nucleus in a prokaryotic is absent. Eukaryotic present. Okay, the nucleus is a present. And second point, genetic material is not enclosed. Not enclosed membrane is there. Enclosed membrane. Single chromosome. Single chromosome in the form of DNA. DNA means deoxynuclease antibodies. Okay. Now, here and many chromosomes are there. Yeah, many chromosomes. Yeah, in the eukaryotic, many chromosomes are there. many chromosomes are there. And nucleus. Nucleus in the prokaryotic is absent. Here we got the present. And cell division. For the cell division, mitosis, budding or diffusion. Cell division eట్లా ఉంటుంది? Mitosis. Here meiosis. Mitosis or meiosis. Mitosis or meiosis. And membrane bound organelles are absent. Membrane bound organelles are absent, and here is the present. Now cell wall. How is the cell wall? Cell wall is a non-cellulosic. Cell wall is in prokaryotic. How is the non-cellulosis? Non-cellulosic and present in the plant cell, and it is made up of glucose. Plant cells are present. The plant cells are present in the form of, it is made up of glucose. Tomorrow we can learn. Thank you children. Tomorrow we can learn about the diagram of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.